What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Now you might be asking yourself, why am I standing on the side of the road at some little pull-off in the middle of nowhere? Well, this adventure is going to be very special. So for those of you who have been living under a rock or do not know, about 9 months ago, western North Carolina got knocked on its ass by Hurricane Helene. And one of the areas that got hit the hardest is just a few miles that way. We're going to go up and check out Chimney Rock. Now, other than running supplies and helping with the other logistics and stuff that has happened in that area, we've kind of stayed out of it and stayed out of the way. But now the area is open. Chimney Rock State Park is back open, and I have a reservation to go check out Chimney Rock State Park and check out the area. So we're going to ride into Lake Lure and Chimney Rock and see what's going on, because they are now opening the roads and wanting people to come in. So let's head that way and go see what we can find. Away we go. Now, I gotta tell you guys, Chimney Rock and Lake Lure, they kind of hold a special spot for me in my heart, because this is somewhere that we used to come growing up all the time. We didn't have a beach or anything like that to go to, so Chimney Rock and Lake Lure was our beach town in the mountains. We would go to Lake Lure and they had the big beach, and you could play and do whatever you wanted there. It was a great little nice tourist destination for us locals here in western North Carolina. Now, what I'm going to tell you guys is I'm not going to do a whole, in fact, I'm not going to do any before and after of Chimney Rock. I'm not going to show the destruction from Hurricane Helene. I'm not going to show video footage or news releases or anything like that. We're just going into Chimney Rock, and we have a reservation to the state park. So all we're doing is showing the positive and how the town is recovering and progressing after the storm. If you guys want to see what it looked like before Hurricane Helene, my friend Jonathan and I actually came down here and went fishing for the day on Lake Lure with our kayaks. And that video is on my channel if you want to go find it and watch it. And I actually had a pretty good day of fishing down here when we came down here for that. But it wasn't but just a few months later that Helene hit and just completely destroyed everything. All right, so I just talked to a sheriff's deputy. The road is closed. Speaking of sheriff's deputy, there she is. The road going over into Chimney Rock is still closed coming from Fairview. So if you guys come up here, you have to go through Tryon, which is down 26 like you're going to South Carolina. My reservation is for 10:30, which is about an hour and a half from now. So I am going to try to get back over through Fairview, up 26 into Tryon, and back up that way, because I don't know if I can make it in time, but I'm damn sure going to try. Let's get on the road, head over the mountain, and go in the other way. Which I probably should have known that, because when we were bringing supplies to this area, we had to come in that way to drop stuff off over in Tryon. We got a little hike in front of us. Let's go try. Alright, so I got on Google Maps to see if I could find a quicker way to get over to Chimney Rock instead of going all the way to Tryon. Well, it turns out there's some back roads that I can take and go around the other way, and it knocks about 30 minutes off my travel time. So it's got me getting there right at 10 o'clock. We're going to try that thanks to Google Maps, and we're going to try this alternate route because...
In a quarter mile, turn right onto Hollywood Road.
We're going to try this alternate route because it says going this way, it avoids road closures, and that's what we want. Hey, got a reservation for 10:30 for Hug.
Okay, do you have your number?
Uh,
Should we have 4-digit number? Or... There's your trail map.
Right.
You're going to go uphill to the stop sign and turn right. It's 2 more miles.
Thank you.
Enjoy your day.
Appreciate you. All right, guys, we have made it. Got our trail map and stuff, but coming through Chimney Rock and up the mountain really dredged up a lot of feelings. And before I can continue with this video, I just need to take a minute and breathe and collect myself. We'll catch you in just a minute. Alright guys, I think I got myself together. Sorry about that. Let's go explore somewhere I haven't been since I was a little kid, and they just reopened. So let's go check out Chimney Rock State Park.
Bonnie's like, well, you're gonna have to go down the Big Green Trail and then
Hey, babies.
hike over. Yeah.
Alright, to get up the Chimney Rock, I'm going to take the elevator this time. Now I'm going to take the trail to come back down. All right, we have made it up to Chimney Rock. Let's go up here and see what we got.
Quería asegurarte que sí se llama así. No sé si va a llegar por ahí. Ahí está el caminito, yo creo que son las sagradas en el camino. No. Ahora a ver, vamos a ver.
We made it to the top. I think what we're going to do is I'm going to hike up there too when I'm done here. Well, while we're here, we might as well take advantage of all the trails up here. So, up and up we go. Alright, so I feel like I'm a glutton for punishment today, but I've already made it this far, so I'm going on to the top. Word to the wise, get reserve time early. Mine was 10:30, and it's already humid as shit. Well, we have made it to exclamation point. I thought about doing some of the Skyline Trail, but it's closed, so this is about as far as you can go right now. Boy, I'm out of breath and out of shape. But damn, it's nice up here. Just look. Let's go to the gift shop and get a sticker and a sandwich. Good idea. We've almost made it back down to the gift shop in the parking lot. Let's go in here and see if we can't find us a souvenir and maybe something to snack on, because yeah, boy's a little peakish. Need some agua and a Sammy or something. Nice little Sammy with a view like that. Well, like any good tourist destination, they got a gift shop, and you know I had to get me some stickers. Now that that's done, we're going to make our way back to the truck, but we're not taking the elevator. We're going to take the trail down to the parking lot. So let's go. Well, guys, I did most of the hikes up here, seen most of the stuff, got me a sandwich, got me some souvenirs. Listen, if you guys want to come check out Chimney Rock State Park, they are open. $17, you do have to make a reservation, and it is worth every penny. If you like the video, hit the subscribe button and follow along because we got a lot more coming up.